Good afternoon, evening, friends. It's so good to see you. Today we're going to be reviewing pronouns. It's something we've done in the past and something we need to do constantly because it's something that even me, as an adult, need to review. So, what we're going to do is we're going to watch a video on pronouns. It's kind of fun, so I hope you enjoy it. Then we're going to go over our PowerPoint, which has some examples of some sentences. And then at the end, it has some fill in the blank that I need you to fill out in your notebooks and bring to class tomorrow. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our video, and then we're going to move to our PowerPoint, and then we're going to talk about our homework for tonight. So, first video, and here it is.
I'm looking for pronouns, because I know sentences often have them. I'm hunting, looking for some of them. I hope I can find some. First we gotta see what's the function of a pronoun. Pretty much something I don't know much about. If I mess things up, I hope nobody sees me. My teacher says using pronouns is so easy. So I know it's like a noun, because noun is in the name, but it's different than a noun. Not exactly the same. It's a word that sneaks up, takes the place of a noun. Let me try and use some. I'ma start now. And I hope that it makes sense. My friend's shoes were blue. Yeah, they were blue. They was the pronoun that I just used. Just had 10 cents. Yeah, she had a dime. She is the pronoun I used that time. I'ma take your grandpa's chair. I'ma take his chair. His is the pronoun I used right there. Things will be repetitive. Without pronouns, you gotta use different words to switch things around. I'm looking for pronouns, because I know sentences often have them. I'm hunting, looking for some of them. I hope I can find some. Now pronouns are easy. They're not so hard to see. Him, her, I, he, and she. You, us, this, those, that, and we. Now pronouns are easy. Yeah. They're not so hard to see. Him, her, I, he, and she. You, us, this, those, that, and we. I'm looking for pronouns, because I know sentences often have them. I'm hunting, looking for some of them. I hope I can find some. I'm looking for pronouns, because I know sentences often have them. I'm hunting, looking for some of them. I hope I can find some.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to go over a PowerPoint presentation that has some examples of pronouns, and we're going to talk about using them correctly in a sentence. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at he went to the store and I saw him at the store. He is used for a boy. So, he went to the store, meaning we could say Carlos went to the store, or Jose went to the store, or Robert went to the store. But since Robert, Jose, and Carlos are a boy, we use he instead of their names. I saw him at the store is the same way. Him is in place of the noun for a boy. For example, I saw Jose at the store, or I saw Carlos at the store, or I saw Robert at the store. We can put him in the sentence to replace the boys' names. I am doing homework, meaning Mrs. Palmer is doing homework, or I am here. I is a pronoun in place of yourself. The next pronoun we're going to be looking at are they and we. They, meaning all of us, are doing homework, or we are going to the park, meaning you and I and all of our classmates are going to the park. Now, here's what you're going to do. You're going to try this at home. You need to write this in your notebook and bring this to class with you tomorrow so we can review the answers. So, fill in the blank. Blank is going to see Mrs. Palmer tomorrow. Who is going to see Mrs. Palmer tomorrow? Please write that in the blank in your notebook. Next one. Blank, I'm so happy to see you. This might be a tricky one, but I want you to think about it. And if you think it's an answer, make sure you know the reason why it's the answer. Where is blank? Where are blank? And finally, blank have brown hair and brown eyes. Once again, this is a tricky one, but make sure that if you have the answer written down, you know why your answer is written down. And finally, like always, let me know if you have any questions during class. Please don't forget to bring your answers to class, and as always, take the risk.